All assets you place inside Enscape will transfer as low-poly models to your CAD as well. However, as we know that the Enscape asset library is also available on the CAD side, let's have a look at how we can place assets directly in CAD. The key method is the same. You choose an asset and you place it on the surface you want it on. The main difference between placing assets inside the Enscape window and the CAD window directly is that you have to position, rotate, or scale the assets using the native CAD tools. And there are no multi-placement options on the CAD side. So, if it suits you, you can place assets on the CAD side as well. Like and subscribe, guys! You don't want to miss the upcoming lessons.